Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about Forest River's Flagstaff Classic line of travel trailers and fifth wheels. There's a total of a dozen floor plans in the Flagstaff Classic family, focusing mainly on couples who love to camp. Let's check them out. Of the 12 floor plans, 4 of them are fifth wheels, so let's take a look at those first. 3 of the 4 are rear living models with identical master bedroom layouts, and they all share long model names. In fact, every Flagstaff Classic has a fairly long model name. Alright, back to the floor plans. The 8528 CBS, 8529 IKBS, and 8529 RKBS each have a Serta Queen bed on a slide with an optional king and a large wardrobe closet with washer-dryer prep in the front cap. The bathrooms are somewhat similar, with the 8528 CBS and 8529 RKBS having a large 60 by 30 shower, and the 8529 IKBS with a neo-angle shower. All 3 also have a pair of large living area slides to dramatically expand the main cabin. The 8528 CBS is a rear living floor plan with a hide-a-bed sofa on the back wall, a king U-dinette, and an outside kitchen. The 8529 IKBS is virtually identical, only it has 2 swivel chairs on the back wall and a freestanding dinette. The final triple slide model, the 8529 RKBS, is a rear kitchen floor plan with a straight line kitchen on the back wall, the major kitchen appliances and theater seats on one slide, and the king U-dinette and entertainment center with fireplace on the opposing campside slide. Plus, it has an outside kitchen. And the fifth wheel units are complete. Let's move on over to the 8 travel trailer floor plans. While most are geared toward a camping couple, there are 3 bunkhouse models that focus on the family. Let's take a look at those first. All 3 share a few features. Each bunk area is a true bunk room and has a hardwood door for privacy. Each also has a flip-out bunk over a jackknife sofa housed in a slide. Finally, they all have an outside kitchen. Differences? The 831 BHWSS and 832 BHDS have traditional stacked twin bunks opposite the flip-out bunk, but the 832 BHDS has them in a slide. Both of these layouts also share identical living area slides, with each housing a convertible dinette and theater seats. Plus, they share an L-shaped kitchen, wardrobe slide, and walk-around Serta Queen bed with a pair of sliding pocket doors. The 831 BHWSS has 2 entrances. As for the final bunkhouse floor plan, the 832 BHI KWS has virtually the same living area slide, but with a hide-a-bed sofa as opposed to theater seats. This model also has a kitchen island with a 3rd slide and a campside one housing all the kitchen appliances. The bathroom has a private entry from the master bedroom. Next, we have the 3 rear living floor plans. All 3 have a trio of slides, including a Serta Queen bed with the king option on a slide, plus a neo-angle shower with private access to the bathroom from the bedroom. In alphabetical order, first up is the 832 IKBS. Its 2 living area slides contain a freestanding dinette and entertainment center with fireplace in the campside slide, with a hide-a-bed sofa and kitchen appliances in the opposing slide. On its back wall, you'll find a pair of swivel chairs for some serious relaxation. The 832 OKBS has a 76-inch hide-a-bed sofa on its back wall and 2 very large living area slides. The campside slide holds the entire kitchen except the kitchen island. Opposite, the other slide has a freestanding dinette plus theater seats directly across from the entertainment center fireplace combo. This one, along with the next floor plan, the 832 RKBS, has an outside kitchen as well. The 832 RKBS with a rear kitchen on its back wall has 2 large living area slides too. The campside slide houses a king U-shaped dinette and the entertainment fireplace combo. Opposite this are the theater seats, fridge, and pantry in their own slide. The final 2 Flagstaff Classic floor plans are front living. The 831 CLBSS and 832 FLBS share nearly identical master bedrooms. Both have their bed on a slide, with the 831 having a king, and the 832 is Serta Queen. The 831 also has a private entry into the bathroom as well as an exterior private entry into the bedroom. Both bathrooms have a neo-angle shower. The differences are up front. The 831 CLBSS has a single large slide up front to pull out the theater seats and dinette. The front wall is all kitchen with an L shape for the appliances. The 832 FLBS has opposing slides up front with an impressive entertainment center with fireplace on the front wall. The campside slide holds the dinette and theater seats, while the opposing slide has a hide-a-bed sofa and the L-shaped kitchen. Now that we've covered the Flagstaff Classic floor plans, let's take a peek at what kind of features that'll make your outdoor adventures relaxing. One thing they do very well is create cook-friendly kitchens. Amenities include solid surface countertops, 3-burner recessed cooktop with flush mount covers, flush mount stainless steel sink with high-rise faucet, and beautiful cabinetry with hardwood cabinet doors in either slate wood or American maple. Other great interior features designed for comfort include a 13,500 BTU fully ducted AC, residential Serta mattress, USB charging outlets, LCD TV with upgraded soundbar speaker system, and multimedia center with Blu-ray and Bluetooth control. There's also a touch button control pad for lights and slides, a floor ducted furnace, plus a fireplace in many of the floor plans. On the outside, you'll get camp comfort features such as a power awning with LED strip, outside shower, outside speakers, MORryde strut assist fold-out steps, and optional bike rack. Every Flagstaff Classic is built to camp many seasons and withstand the elements with vacuum laminated one-piece roof and walls, 6-sided aluminum cage construction, enclosed underbelly, and thermostatically heated holding tanks. A smoother ride on the road is achieved thanks to the torsion axle and rubber ride suspension. Well, that wraps up the Forest River Flagstaff Classic line of travel trailers and fifth wheels. With well thought out floor plans and excellent features, when you get a Flagstaff Classic, you may never want to leave the outdoors.